Hello guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now. And on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost audiomack play, and we're going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search on www.growbetter.net. Once you search growbetter.net, this is how the website is going to display. As a first timer, this is how the website is going to display to you. As growbetter.net is a website where you boost all your social media services like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Telegram, audiomack, YouTube, and other social media apps. And as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost audiomack plays, right? First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net. And the second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you make any order on the website. The website is not free. You have to have an account and have fund on your account before you make any order on the website. If you don't have an account, all you have to do is click on the sign up button right there. Follow the few steps you'll be shown to create an account with growbetter.net. On my previous videos, I've shown and explained how to sign up on this website, growbetter.net. It is very easy and simple. I have an account already. All I have to do is input my details, right? I'll input my details and sign in. Once you sign in, it will bring you to this page. This is how the website looks like on the inside. As I said earlier, the website is not free. First, you have to have an account with growbetter.net, and the second thing, you have to have fun on your accounts before you make any order. And it is very easy and simple to add fun on this website. On my previous videos, I've also shown and explained how to add fun. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to add fun on this website, growbetter.net, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Under category, you click on this arrow. As you can see, audiomack services right there. Audiomack service, you click on it. And other service, you click on this arrow. And as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost audiomack plays, right? And it's the first one under services there. As you can see, you click on it. On this link, you have to input the song link, and under quantity, you have to input the amount of plays you want to get. I've copied my link before the start of this video. All you have to do is input the song link under this link, and under quantity, input the amount of plays you want to get. I'm inputting 1000 for the purpose of this video, and you click on done. Once you have input your correct song link under the link and the quantity of plays you want to get, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you see a notification that your order has been received, and it is that simple and easy to boost audiomack play using growbetter.net. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this. And if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, don't forget to kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime we post a new video. And if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you, and God bless you.